We'll be taking a look at two of the TOGUARD 1080p dash cams. This first dash cam is forward facing only, and then we'll look at the second dash cam, which will be forward facing and in-cabin dash cams, and you'll see a slight view out the back window. So we'll take a look now at the first forward facing dash cam. Watch this all the way through, or you can skip it to get to the second dash cam, which is forward facing and in-cabin if you want to check that one out also. So let's jump straight into it. This is a TOGUARD Mini Dash Cam 1080p Full HD with 170° wide angle. It has a G sensor and has a 2.45 inch screen. It's small and compact and easy to install. Now let's take a look at the manual. Here you have a cable that you can plug into the camera and into your PC. Also comes with 4 sticky clips to clip to the car to pin in the cable. Here you have the power cable for the camera, which will plug into the cigarette lighter in the car. This cable will look to place in the gaps around the car, tucking in the wire so it's out of our way. You can simply plug this in and the camera powers up automatically. To save the footage, insert a micro SD card, class 10. It can be a 16GB up to a 32GB. This isn't included, but I'll leave links in the description for you to check some out. It is mentioned to format the SD card to FAT32 before using, but when I inserted the SD card it worked straight away and saved the footage, no problem. If you need more sockets like I did to maybe charge your phone and whatever else you got plugged in, I bought this to add extra sockets to the car. This you can simply plug in, gives you a sticky pad for you to stick down into the car so it doesn't move. This way I can still charge my phone and have the dash cam and extra if I need to. Now let's have a look at installing this camera into the car. You can use the clips or buy extra clips, but I'm able to wedge this cable into the gaps of the car, working my way round to the cigarette lighter. I noticed there was a rubber seal inside the car. I've managed to put the cable just inside, which seems to hold it in place firmly. I've been using this for weeks now and it hasn't moved. Now I plugged the power cable into the extra unit that I bought with extra sockets. Here we'll have a quick look through some of the options you have. The options you can move up and down, very simple and straightforward to use. All information of this dash cam I will leave in the description below. The recording will keep looping, so you'll always have a record. Here I changed to record in 5 minutes rather than 1 minute clips. I want 5 minute clips. I make a few more minor adjustments and that's me set ready to go. You can turn the recording on or off. If you set the camera to record, when you turn the car off it will obviously stop recording, and when you turn the engine back on the camera will come on automatically and start recording, so you haven't got to do anything there. This makes it easy to use and you don't have to think about it. It's very small in size and I'll have it just to the left of the rear view mirror. I bought this on eBay where the prices vary, but when I bought it it was around £35. You can also play back your videos on the dash cam like I show here. This dash cam does exactly what I need it to do. Simple to use and a camera that I would recommend to others. This video isn't sponsored, I bought this to use in my own car for my own personal use. Now let's take a look at the actual footage from the SD card. Now we're going to have a look at the second TOGUARD dash cam, which is forward facing and in cabin facing cameras, so you have two cameras recording at the same time. Let's jump straight into it. Here we have the TOGUARD dash cam. It has two 1080p cameras, 170-degree wide angle. It comes with two different mounting brackets. It has an easy menu function, which is easy to set up, and a quick and easy dash cam install. We're going to have a look what comes in the box. Then we'll have a look at the install, placing the dash cam in the car and tucking away the wires. Then we'll take a look at the footage at the end. Here you can see the suction mounting bracket. Next in the box, I'll pull out the power lead. So one end will plug into the dash cam and one end will plug into your cigarette lighter. Here we have the second type of mounting bracket. If you'd prefer this type, it sticks onto the glass rather than suctions on like the first mount. Then it comes with a cable that will allow you to plug the dash cam into a PC or laptop. Here we have these sticky clips which allow you to connect the cable to the car to keep the wires tidy. And here is the dash cam itself. Here you can see the second camera that rotates around, allowing you to film inside the car. You can see a clear image inside the car and the back seats. Footage you can check out more towards the end of this video if you'd like to see that. This dash cam, when I bought it, was around £60. To save your footage, you'll need to buy a 32GB SD card to insert into this dash cam. That doesn't come included. You can simply insert the SD card, press record, and it will save all the footage. It'll be the top of the dash cam where you'll be plugging in your power cable. Whichever mount you choose will simply slide into place. I'll leave all links and information in the description below. You can also subscribe to the channel to see more from me. To control the dash cam, all the buttons are located underneath the dash cam, which allows you to adjust all the settings. To adjust the dash cam, you can twist the wheel on the right hand side, adjust to the correct angle that you need in your car, and simply twist to tighten. Once you have this power lead plugged into the dash cam and into the cigarette lighter, when starting up the car, the camera will immediately turn on and start recording. It comes with a dash cam sticker if it's something you wanted to stick into your car. Now we'll have a quick look at the manual if it's something you wanted to read. If not, you can skip this bit. Micro SD card I use, 32GB class 10. This is how we'll simply install it into the dash cam. You'll push the SD card in this way and it will click into place. You can choose the dash cam to display the forwards facing camera or the rear facing camera, but it will be recording both cameras at the same time regardless of which one you want to display. It will record both anyway. I tucked the dash cam up behind my rear view mirror so that I can't see the screen anyway, but some people might want to see the rear view camera to see the passengers behind them. It depends on where you want to put the camera into your car. Here I'm showing you how I installed the cable into my car, placing the wire in the gaps of the car and also using the sticky strips provided to help hold the wire in place. information in the description below. Leave any questions in the comment section. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.